Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you. I'm sharing some of my must-have beauty products for the fall and festive season along with a few great alternatives. We're keeping it makeup focused and creating a timeless fall glam look for this year using some of my favorite seasonal products. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming festive glam looks. Alright, let's get started. When you think of fall, think warm jewel tones, matte neutrals, soft metallic accents, cozy, glowing and elegant. These shades work beautifully on all skin tones and instantly give that festive seasonal touch. First up, base products. Refreshed and hydrated skin is always a good idea. My absolute go-to is the Forest Essential Rose Water Mist, perfect for instant refreshes any time of the day. If you're specifically looking for rose water, Kama Ayurveda makes a lovely one too. Now, first step to makeup is using a good primer. A good primer makes a huge difference, especially if you want the makeup to stay on for a long time and for the base to look flawless. I'm using the NYX Plump Right Back Primer. It has a lightweight gel texture and feels super fresh. If you have dry skin, try the NYX Marshmallow Primer. It's a good hydrating alternative. Now, once we have the primer in, for that soft glowing base, I love the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is in shade 2.5 Fair. I like applying a few dots before foundation and blending with a brush or sponge. It gives the skin a beautiful natural glow. If you want a more budget-friendly alternative, the MAC Strobe Cream works beautifully too. For foundation, we're going high coverage to match the festive vibe. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC37. You only need a little and the coverage is fantastic. Another full coverage option I recommend is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's a classic. Before going to the concealer, I want to show the powder foundation that I use from the same brand, which is MAC, the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. It gives flawless coverage, sets the base beautifully and is one of my all-time favorites. MAC has recently updated the formula, so I'll try the new version soon and share my thoughts. So these two, highly recommend. For concealer, go for something lightweight and blendable. My pick is the K-Beauty Concealer in shade 120p. The texture is lovely and you need just a tiny bit. Good alternatives are the NARS Creamy Concealer or even the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. They all blend really well. And for blush, this cult classic had to make it in, NARS Blush in Orgasm. It's a peachy pink with a soft golden shimmer that's buildable and perfect for festive glam. For festive season, you can try out cream blushes or even blush sticks with shades of plum, mauve, rosewood and warm peach. They all look great. Festive makeup is incomplete without a glow. I'm using the Rare Beauty Liquid Highlighter in shade Enchant. You only need a teeny tiny dot and it blends like a dream. The K Beauty Liquid Highlighter is another excellent option. Think warm, candlelit glow rather than icy tones. That's the fall trick. For eyes, I'm starting with a simple but versatile palette, Nykaa Eyeshadow Quad in Sunset Stroll. It has 4 warm shades that work beautifully on Indian skin tones. If you want a more dramatic look, the K Beauty eyeshadow palettes are stunning. For the festive look, go in with a mix of matte and shimmers. Think warm neutrals, deep plums, greens, golds, terracotta, cranberry tones. They all look really good. For liner, I'm loving the K Beauty eyeliner in Chic Emerald, a beautiful emerald green that applies smoothly whether you want a thin line or bold wing. Maybelline's liquid liner is a great affordable alternative. Mascara time. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's lengthening, volumizing and doesn't smudge. Another great pick is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I also picked up Nykaa False Lashes on a whim. They're easy to apply with lash glue and perfect if you want a full-on festive glam moment. To lock everything in place, I love the Max Fix Plus spray. It's refreshing and the new spray nozzle is so much better. If you want another option, the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray is one of the best. Fall lips are iconic. Choose shades like brick red, berry, chocolate, rosewood, cinnamon and mauve. I have 4 different lip products here, each with a different finish. Starting with the lip liner, the Swiss Beauty lip liner in Bobbi Brown is super affordable and glides on smoothly. And it's such a beautiful shade. For lipstick, I have this creamy lipstick from Kay Beauty, and this is their very popular shade called Panache. Love the packaging, love the detailing, and love the color of this lipstick. Very creamy and so beautiful. For a softer but yet festive vibe, I love the MAC Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick in shade Marrakesh Mein. It's a gorgeous warm shade that you can diffuse or build up depending on your mood. And for a long wear statement finish, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Resistance Liquid Lipstick in 630 Rose Heat. Everyone talks about worth it shades, but this one is equally stunning. A quick trend update before we wrap up. Cloud Blush and Toasty Warm Glowing Makeup are huge this season. Eyeshadows making a comeback as a main feature. And the luxury world is buzzing because Louis Vuitton launched their first makeup line. The packaging is so nice. Plus, Fenty Beauty has officially launched in India, so if you've been waiting to try it out, now's the time. And that's the look. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know what's your favorite fall makeup product this season. Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming holiday glam tutorials. See you all in the next one. Bye.